Kev, what do you think about birds, Kev?
Y'all like birds, y'all like birds, y'all like birds.
What do you think about birds, Darrius?
I think birds are very beautiful creatures. You know, God don't make nothing for no purposes. You know, everything on this earth got a purpose. The train got a purpose to get us to our destination.
How you feel about Kev not liking birds?
Well, I think Kevin don't like them birds because he's an earthworm. So
I ain't no damn earthworm. I just don't like birds. I'm going to talk to my boy. I'm my boy. I'm
so you see the soil on the boy's skin?
Don't see the soil on your boy. Give me the camera. Don't see the soil on the boy's lips. Boy, lips. You done got with the soil on the boy's lips.
Well, I still think birds are very beautiful creatures.
I like the birds. I'm the birds.
Look at the macaw. Look at the cockatoo.